How to share your real-time location on Google Maps for Android. Guys, let's go. I have Google Maps open on the screen. It's very simple. You're going to start by clicking on your profile picture. In this case, there's just a letter, so you click on it. By clicking on the profile picture, the settings menu opens up here. If you look, there's already an option here for you to share your location. You can click on this option and you will be redirected. Notice that in this case, there's an update, okay, for sharing. I'm going to click here to view it. I'll click to accept. If it appears for you too, you can accept it and that's it. Notice that I've already shared a location here. So it already shows here that the person can see your location and there's a timer. It was just for 1 hour. To share, you will click here on new sharing. And when you click, guys, at the top, it shows your location and also displays your battery percentage. If you notice, you can choose a time period, okay? In this case, it's set by default to 1 hour, but you can increase it. By clicking here, you can set how long you want to share your location. 4 hours, 5 hours, as you can see here, it changes, okay? I'll leave it here to share the location for 3 hours. There's also an option for you to choose to share until you deactivate or turn it off. I'm going to choose a specific period and below you'll choose how you want to send it. If you want to send your location to this person via WhatsApp, you just click. Is it by email? Is it by message? You choose how you want to send it. In this case, I'm going to send it via WhatsApp, so I'll click, it will load, show the contacts, and I'll choose that contact and click on them. Notice that your location link already appears there. You click the arrow to send it, and that's it. I've already sent it here. So basically, the person receives the message like this. See my real-time location on Google Maps. They can click right here and it will automatically open the location, okay? In this case, they can see your movement. They can see the time it will take for you to reach a certain place if you're using GPS, and even the percentage of your battery, the level. And that's it. That's how you share your real-time location on Google Maps for Android. All right? I hope I was able to help. If I did, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.